Good morning, students of class 9th. In the previous video, we have discussed about the beginning of the French Revolution, and in today's video, we will talk about another crisis that took in the French Revolution and which even further increased the revolution. Okay. So it was around 1780s that a revolution or a crisis, I would rather say, took place that was known as subsistence crisis, right? Subsistence crisis. And what were the reasons of subsistence crisis, and later we will see how it progressed. Okay, see, first of all, the population of France, it increased, right? The number of people living in France increased from 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. First of all, they were 23 million and later they were 28 million. And with, whenever there is increase in population, the number of people consuming the food grains would also increase. It is but normal thing that whenever the population will increase, the number of people consuming food grain will increase. So there will be more demand for food grains, means there was now more demand for food. So to meet this more demand of food, there should be more supply of food. It's normal that whenever there is more demand of food, then there should be more supply of food, and there was demand for more supply of food. But on the contrary, in the 1780s, there was a crop failure. The crop in the French society failed in 1780s due to harsh winter and hailstorm. And when this happened, that the crop failed due to harsh winter and hailstorm, the people were very burdened with the increase in the bread prices, right? See, when the demand increased, there was need for more supply, but the crop failed. As I said, in 1780s the crop failure was there. When the crop failure was there due to harsh winter and hailstorm, the supply reduced, and when the supply reduced, the prices of the bread increased, and the increase in prices is known as inflation. So the prices of the bread increased, and when the prices of the bread increased, the poor were not able to afford the bread. When the poor were not able to afford the bread, they wanted more wages, right? But the owners of the business houses did not increase the wages. Right? See, wages didn't increase. And when the wages didn't increase, there was hunger and starvation in the society. Whenever there is increased prices, the prices for the bread increased, they wanted more money to buy those bread, but as there was no increase in their wages, the salary of the workers was not increasing. So when the salary of the workers was not increasing, there was hunger and starvation. So due to this scenario, that first of all the population increased, the crop failed, the prices of the bread increased, and there was hunger and starvation, the riots took place in France, and those riots were known as bread riots. It is an important term. There was bread riots which took place due to in the subsistence crisis. The bread riots took place, and even the security, the police, the government of France failed. It collapsed. And when it collapsed, the rule of government collapsed, there was mob ruled in many areas. There was mob rule in many areas. So when there was mob rule, it was said bread riots. Okay. And after the bread riots took place, the government tried to control it, and after some time they controlled it also. But the people from countryside moved to Paris, because in the countryside, in the rural areas of France, the people were not having a good income, because we know that the crop failed, and the crop is grown in the rural areas only, in the villages. So when the crop failed, the people from France, the people of rural areas of France migrated there to the Paris, and due to which Paris was highly populated, and due to high population of Paris, there was overcrowded Paris, and this also lead to further hunger and starvation. So these was subsistence crisis, and it was the full scenario of France in 1780s. Okay. Now let us had a quick revision of this, and we will end the video. That what was subsistence crisis? It was a crisis that took place in 1780s. Due to these crises only a right took place which was known as the bread rights. Okay. And now let us see in a chronological order that what happened. First of all, the population of France increased from 23 million to 28 million. That was in 1715, the population was 23 million, and it rose to 28 million in 1789. And due to the increased population, there was increase in the demand for food. And with the increase in demand for food, so that the prices may not increase, there should be more supply also. There was demand for more supply of the food grains, but the crop failed in 1780s due to harsh winter and hailstorm. Okay, and when the crop when there was crop failure, the supply of the goods decreased. It was but normal, the supply of the goods decreased, and whenever there is more demand and less supply in the economy, there is inflation in the prices. Inflation means the increase in the prices. Inflation, I would like here, right here. Inflation means increase in prices. So when the prices increased of the bread, the people were not able to afford it, and so they demanded for more wages, more salary. But their wages and salary was not increased by their landlords or by their entrepreneurs. So when the wages did not increase, there was hunger and starvation in the country, and this lead to bread rights. Okay, bread rights was the condition when the rule of the government failed, and when the rule of the government failed, there was mob rule in the society, in the country, in many areas. Okay. And this also was further accompanied by people moving from the countryside to the Paris, and due to which Paris was overcrowded. And when Paris became overcrowded, there was lack of space, there was lack of employment there, and this also lead to further deterioration of the condition. The condition became from bad to worse. And these were the subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis also played an important role in the increment of the French Revolution. Okay, now in the next video we will talk about the rise of the middle class and their ideas of enlightenment, that what were their ideas, and further we will talk about the French Revolution more in the upcoming videos. Okay students, thank you, and till then stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.